Okay, the next rule we're going to have a look at is finding the area of a triangle. Now the rule we've used previously is area equals a half times the base times the height. But in this particular rule, the height had to be a perpendicular height, which meant it had to be at a right angle. Now if we're looking at, again, non-right angled trig, then if a triangle doesn't have a right angle in it, we can't find that height. We can't even do it if we were to create a right angle outside the triangle, because we'd need the measurements of that base and the top to use Pythagoras' theorem to find the slanted height. So if, for example, I had a triangle that looked like this, and this is 108. Oh, that doesn't look like an 8. 108 degrees, 16 minutes. That's 8.1 metres, and this is 4.5 metres. And I needed to find the area of this triangle. I wouldn't be able to do it using my current rule. So the next rule that we're going to look at is the last non-right angled trig rule, and the area of a triangle, and this is also, I believe, on your formula sheet, is a half AB sine C. Now again, this is very similar to the cosine rule in that you should be able to draw one sausage and two circles. So if I look, there would be my sausage linking a side with an angle and my two circles, except I'm not using the cosine rule because I can't, because I physically don't know this side here, but also I'm finding area, I'm not finding one of the sides or one of the angles. So this again becomes my C, and these become my A and B in whichever particular order you choose to put them in. So I'm looking at my formula. My area is a half times 4.5 times 8.1 times sine, I'm getting very close to the edge of the page there, sine 108 degrees 16 minutes. That's better. Okay, so typing this into my calculator. 0.5 times 4.5 times 8.1 times sine 108. Now I need to use my degrees and minutes button. 16 minutes. Remember, your minutes looks just like a degrees symbol because your calculator doesn't have a minutes symbol up here on this little screen. Press equals, and I get 17.30660 ... which gives me 17. I wasn't asked for any rounding, so therefore area equals 17.3, and I might just leave it at 17.3, and it was in metres, so it now becomes metres squared to 1 decimal place. Just remember, with area of a triangle, the C is the link or the sausage that you're creating, and the A and B, just like your cosine rule, are your two circles. Okay? And remember, it doesn't matter which order they come in and which one's which. You should now be able to work on exercise 5.08, working on questions 4, 8, 9 and 10.